I'm here with Josh Brzezinski, the construction superintendent working on our new school. Thank you for taking the time to give us a little update on what's happening with the new school construction. First, can you tell us what your main role is related to the project?
Yes, and thank you for your time. I am a civil superintendent for Myron Construction. My main role is running the schedule, working through any issues that we may come across during our project, obviously keeping morale, motivation up amongst my team members, and into building this beautiful school for you.
About how many workers are working on the building each day?
Currently, right now, we are averaging around 47 team members, and obviously as the job site progresses, that number will grow to where we could see easily 60 team members plus.
Quite a big project. What parts of the building are being worked on now, and what's next?
All of them. So our main focus right now is obviously we completed our structural foundations, and what you see behind us right now is actually we are in our pouring the slab on grade portion of our project. So area C is the one that's right behind us. We are currently pouring about 200 yards of concrete mix on first floor. We have masonry contractors right now working in area A, working on the gym, which has a considerable amount of CMU units. I believe we're over 4,000 just in the gym alone. And then they're progressing themselves to work into area B, which is the middle of the portion of the school.
Thank you for your time. Hopefully we can chat with you every 2 or 3 weeks throughout the school year for more updates on the new school.